This week we're going to take a look at Facebook and how you can attract clients to your business and take instant online bookings. If you're a fitness professional and you're just starting out or you want to grow your studio, then this video is for you. My name's Lee Wilson and welcome to Go Retrieve. Hi there, today we're going to look at boosting a post. Now, boosting a post is one of the easiest ways to reach a new audience and bring them to your gym or to bring them to your classes. So in this video, we're going to look at one of the easiest methods to reach new people, which is boosting a post. The other method is creating an advert, but we'll look at that in a future video. So first of all, before we start our post, before we boost our post, what we do is we create a new class that we're going to advertise. So we log into our Go Retrieve system. From here, we can go into our schedule. We can give our class a name. So for this example, we'll create a pull-up training class. Our cost of our class is 1 credit. And what we do is we give a minimum cancellation notice of 4 hours. This means if people don't give us 4 hours notice, they lose their credit. If they do give us 4 hours notice, then they get their credit automatically refunded to them and then they can rebook another class. What we do is run our class every Wednesday and we run it in Torquay. I'll be the teacher of this class. It'll be a beginner's class. We're starting early morning, 0600, and we take that through to 7 AM. This class will run from the 1st of April to the end of April. So this means every Wednesday between these two dates. We take off indefinite repeat, and we'll make this class available to 15 people. So if we click create, the class has been created for us, and now if we log in as a client, oops, we seem to have some information missing, so we just complete this information here, just go into our profile, add the phone number, update that. Now we can go in, have a look at our available classes. Now, when did we put it? Wednesday. Oh, it was on the moving from the 1st of April. So we go forward a week. And there's our class. So our clients can book the class just by clicking on the book button. Okay, now if we return to our Facebook page, now we've created our class, we can, actually before we do that, what we'd do is at the top of the page here, we've got this facility for a button. So what we'd do is to give people the option to book online, we can turn that into a book now button. So to do that, we just go into our business manager. So once you go into your business manager, all you do is hover over your button and then you click on edit. This will bring up a new screen, and if we just click make a booking with you and click book now, we can go on in and add our own website link. So what we're going to do here is put our own timetable in. So we'll just save that, and that means that this button now will take our clients directly to our timetable so that they can book and pay for all your sessions quite quickly and easily. Okay, now that we've created our book now button, what we can do is scroll down and find a post that we're going to boost. Now, what I'll do is I'll grab this one here. This is me doing a pull up in the snow. And we can use this as though it was advertising a new class. So we've created a new class and this will be our link to the class itself. So what we can do is we can make sure it reaches maximum amount of people. For our example, we use engagement, reactions, comments and shares. So what we can do is we can change the button type. We click book now and we can enter our URL, which will take us to our booking page so that they can just click on the book now button, go onto this page and make their booking straight away. Now we need to target an audience, so we're creating a new audience. We'll call it pull-up class, and what we can do is target all genders. For this example, we'll just go from 20 to 35 age group. You can pick whichever age group you want, and what we're going to do is drop a pin in the area that we want to engage. So for example, in this one, we'll drop a pin into tool key. Now, once you've dropped a pin, you can change the radius. So this is how far the reach of your actual post. You can take it up and down. So you can take it right into 1 mile, which is pretty tight. So what we'll do is we'll keep ours at 10 miles. And that gives us our radius and the people we're going to reach. Okay, now what we need to do is narrow down our target audience. So in our example, what we can do is target fitness and wellness professionals, people who've got an interest in fitness and wellness, people who've got an interest in gyms, nutrition, so they've got a healthy, balanced lifestyle. We just chuck in physical fitness. We can also exclude or target specifics. So our fitness people must also match healthy eating, fitness and wellness, and we'll put physical exercise in. Now, as long as we're in this green area, that means we're going to define a good audience to target. So we'll just save that. Scroll down the page and we can set our budget. This is £15, so you can set it to whatever you want. We can have it running over 1, 7 or 14 days, or we can set a specific date range. So for this one, we'll just put the 1st of April, which means it's going to give us £3 a day for 5 days. And that's it. So all we do now is we click the boost button and that'll go out to our audience. Okay, that's it really. It's as simple as that. In our example, it's not really boosted, but when you do it, it'll say boosted down the bottom, and that'll go out to the area you specified for the amount of time, and it'll cost you only the money that you've put in there. So it's a great way to hit a local audience. It really is a cost-effective method to build your business. In a future video, we'll look at Facebook advertising, which is a little bit more in depth. So we'll leave that to another week. Next week, we're going to look at how to build your business through word of mouth and family members and using the booking system to really get those bookings up. So I look forward to seeing you next week. If you like this video and you want to see more, click the like button, subscribe. Look forward to seeing you next week.